Welcome to our guide on the 5 best mirrorless cameras you can buy this year. With the advancement of digital photography, mirrorless cameras have become increasingly popular for their great image quality and portability. These cameras make it easier for photographers to capture the perfect shot without the bulk and weight of a traditional DSLR camera. So if you're looking for a great camera to take amazing photos with, then this is the guide for you. Number 5. Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 is the latest full-frame mirrorless camera from Canon, and it's a powerhouse. It features an amazing 45-megapixel full-frame complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, DADGIC X image processor, and can shoot up to 12 frames per second with its mechanical shutter. Its dual-pixel complementary metal oxide semiconductor AF covering covers 100% of the area with 1,053 AF areas, and its subject tracking of people and animals using deep learning technology is truly remarkable. With dual memory card slots and compatibility with the RF 5.2mm f2 8 liters dual fisheye lens, the Canon EOS R5 is an amazing camera for the serious photographer. Highly recommended. Number 4. Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III Black. The Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III Black camera body is a powerful and robust camera that is perfect for all kinds of photographers. It is dust-proof, slash-proof, and freeze-proof, with a magnesium alloy weather-sealed construction that ensures it can withstand any kind of extreme environment. Additionally, it has a multi-selector joystick for quick selection of the AF area while looking through the viewfinder. Overall, the Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III Black camera body is an extremely powerful and robust camera that promises to deliver amazing results, no matter the environment. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX S5. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 is a powerful hybrid camera for photography and cinematic video. With 4K 60p video, FHD 180 frames per second slow motion, and a 14+ stop dynamic range, you can capture stunning details and vibrant colors. The improved autofocus with head, eyes, face, and body detection makes it easy to capture subjects with precision. Additionally, the 5-axis dual is2 enables 6.5-stop slower shutter speed for perfect stills. This camera offers a wide range of features such as live view composite mode to instantly create stunning images, making it perfect for any enthusiast or expert. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T30. The Fujifilm X-T30 mirrorless digital camera is a powerful piece of technology packed into a small package. It features a 26.1-megapixel BSI APS-C X-Trans complementary metal oxide semiconductor 4-image sensor and X-processor 4 quad-core CPU combination that provides accurate AF and face detection for moving subjects when capturing either high-resolution stills or recording 4K video. All in all, the Fujifilm X-T30 mirrorless digital camera is an excellent choice for filmmakers and photographers who want powerful features and performance in a lightweight and affordable package. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7C. The Sony Alpha 7C full-frame compact mirrorless camera kit is a revolutionary camera that will take your photography to the next level. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor, this camera is capable of capturing stunning 4K movies with full pixel readout, no pixel binning or crop in HDR. The 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points with 93% image coverage make it easy to capture sharp images in a variety of lighting conditions. The video capture resolution of 2160 ensures that you get the best footage possible. Whether you're a professional photographer or just getting into the game, the Sony Alpha 7C is a great choice.